In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make changes on your status in ClickUp. So for instance, if you want to change this to-do status to open, you can simply go ahead and make this change. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to do this, first you need to go to your workspace here and then click on it here, and this will open Space Settings. Go over to Task Statuses and click on it. And here you'll be able to see your current status and you can now begin to modify them. For instance, we want to modify this from to do to open. Now that is okay. If I click outside, now I'll have this option to apply the changes and then save these changes. And now you can see I have now done so. Now, as you can see here, to do status has changed to open. So that's how you can edit your status in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.